Previously,
Internet has come to stay and it comes with a lot of opportunity. When it comes to online business, I always like to define it as a business that is done over the internet. First on our list is freelancing. Freelancing is the type of business model that is usually on project basis. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce, as you know, is electronic commerce, and it means using the internet to trade. Dropshipping, on the other hand, in this case is somewhat similar to affiliate marketing. The dropshipper is connecting the owner of the product and the buyer. Next on our list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model that you are paid whenever you recommend other people's product or service. Digital marketing is a business model that has to do with promotion of products, goods and services through digital channels. Another business that you can do online as a beginner is information marketing. Information marketing has to do with you sharing your knowledge. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Enemo Naonyeke, and on this channel I share weekly video on how to make money online, and on the streets I do interview people to know what they do for a living and how you can learn from them. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I post a new video. Up next on our list is content creation, and content creation is similar to information marketing in the sense that in both cases you are taking advantage of your knowledge, you are taking advantage of what you know and then putting out this information to the audience. In content creation, all you have to do is putting out of valuable and consumable content to your audience, and most importantly doing this on a consistent basis, because this is the only way you'll be able to build a loyal audience and community. For the sake of this video, we are looking at content creation from just two angles. That is the written aspect and the video creation aspect. So you can either do content creation in written form or you create videos. How can you get started? For instance, if you want to get started with written content, you can either do this on your website or on other social media handles that you can post content. For instance, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and other social media handles that allow you to post content. If you are into video content, you can take advantage of TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Social media platform now do monetization. So it means when you are consistent with your content creation, over time you'll be able to monetize your content on this platform. So for instance, you can monetize your content on Telegram, you can monetize your content on Facebook, you can monetize your content on YouTube, you can monetize your content on Twitter. So when you are consistent with putting out quality content on this social media platform, whenever you become eligible for monetization, you can start earning through their monetization program. There are other ways you can start making money even before you become monetized on some of these platforms. For instance, taking advantage of affiliate marketing, taking advantage of other platforms where you can host your community and share other information, which is similar to information marketing. You can do it on a subscription basis, just as some people do on Patreon, or whichever way you feel is best for you. Content creation is a business model that have come to stay, and it is beginner friendly. It is important I let you know that content creation is not just skit making. Look at what you are good at and start creating content from there. Let me know what you are good at that you are looking at starting content creation around. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It means cryptocurrency is decentralized. So in this case, no third party have control over cryptocurrency. just like in our normal banking system where there is a control over the banking sector. We have the central bank that controls most of the activity happening in the banking sector. In cryptocurrency, there is no one central institution that controls cryptocurrency, and that is the major goal of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency can be used for payments, it can be used for other things. Making money from cryptocurrency as a beginner is quite simple. However, before we go deep into this, I would like to state clearly that cryptocurrency is very volatile. Therefore, it is good for you to have a good knowledge and skill sets before you go into cryptocurrency or before you start investing in cryptocurrency. I want you to know that whatever I say here is not a financial advice. As a beginner, make sure you consult your financial advisor before investing into cryptocurrency. What are the ways that you can make money in cryptocurrency? Now, you can make money from cryptocurrency through investing, trading, or exploring the technology. And this is basically taking advantage of the opportunities that are available in the Web3. This way, it means you can participate in airdrops and also participate in Web3 activities. For instance, there are Web3 jobs available for blockchain developer, there are Web3 jobs available for graphic designer, there are Web3 jobs available for writers, there are Web3 jobs available for people into content creation. So in cryptocurrency, you don't really need to trade before you can make money from it, right? Because there are other there are other aspects of cryptocurrency that can make you money as well as trading. But then if you are looking at going into trading, there are basic skills that you need to have before trading crypto. You need to have a good understanding of fundamental and technical analysis, as this will help you to arrive at making decisions. Also, there are other things that help in decision making when it comes to trading of cryptocurrency, and we'll look at them in depthly in our future videos. Cryptocurrency is a big sector on its own, and let's take a brief look at the cryptocurrency market valuation. The total market cap of cryptocurrency is over 3 trillion. Bitcoin remains the biggest cryptocurrency with a market evaluation of over 1 trillion, and it is followed by Ethereum with over 400 billion market evaluation, and we have other currencies like the USDT, which is a stable currency, and XRP, BNB, and the rest.